guys, today I have an Ulta haul, so if you would like to see some of the goodies I picked up, please keep watching. Alright, so I'm just gonna dig in here and we'll talk about it. So the first thing that I got, which I'm actually using right now, this went on sale, so I grabbed it, and I didn't think that I've ever tried it before, and I wanted a new neck cream, but as soon as I opened it and put it on, I was like, oh man, I've already had this before, but I liked it, so that's good. But I was hoping that it was something different. But anyways, this is the It Confidence in a Cream Neck Cream, Transforming, Rejuvenating, and Firming Super Cream for neck, décolleté, and chest. So I put it all over my neck, décolleté, like the top of my chest, and then like on my collarbones and stuff. And it's like an orange consistency, and it kind of has like a citrusy smell to it, but it's not overwhelming by any means, and it leaves like the nicest, prettiest glow ever. So I got this because it went on sale again, and it's huge. Like, it's gonna last for a hot minute, and like I said, I've already tried it and I liked it. So okay, just a fair warning, there's a ton of lip products in here, just so you guys know. Another thing that I've been using, sorry, but like I've been like really into hair care and skincare lately, and normally I can wait to try things, but I just couldn't. So I've been trying this too. This is from The Ordinary, and it's the caffeine solution. It says reduces appearance of eye contour and pigmentation and puffiness. I want to say I've used it like for like 2 weeks, and I do think it works. It does, like, I can feel it tighten up my under eye, but I feel like it would work better on under eye puffiness and bags. I don't have those. I have like under eye veins. Like, I can look dead. But I did feel it tighten, but it's still, I still had that darkness underneath there, so I think it would just work better on bags, if that makes sense. And also it says that you can layer it with an eye cream, and I can only use this Clinique Pep Star eye cream with it, and it doesn't burn. But I tried to use this Juice Beauty eye cream on top of it, and it burnt my whole under eye. So definitely keep that in mind if you want to try this out. Frank, my husband, he has bags underneath his eyes because we don't sleep in this house. So I kind of want to try it on him and see if it kind of like gets rid of them. So I'll let you guys know. Maybe I'll put it in like a vlog or a TikTok or something. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this. Then I love cream blush. I'm so happy that it's making a comeback, because I remember when I first got on YouTube, I had a ton of like e.l.f. cream blushes and I was obsessed. So I saw this. This is from Milani, and it came with 3 different shades, or I think you can buy them separately as well. And I'm not gonna lie, I was a little disappointed with the packaging on this. It feels like, I know it's drugstore, but it feels like really cheap, like it's gonna break type of plastic, you know? And I don't remember my other Milani stuff feeling that way, so yeah. But this is the Milani 110 Sun-Kissed Glow Cheek Kiss Cream Blush Palette. Sorry, I've got like a head cold or something going on, so I'm a little nasally. But these are the 3 shades I love. This is my go-to. I'm wearing it right now. This is e.l.f. Putty Blush and Bora Bora. That's what's on my cheeks right now. But I want to get some like darker shades, especially when I self-tan and it's the summertime and get a little darker. But yeah, it looks really nice. It has like a nice like kind of corally peachy shade in the middle, like a darker berry shade, and then more of like a pinky berry shade right there. So I thought that would be fun to have for the summertime. I got this because I want to try it out. Last time I tried this, I was on the dance team my junior year of high school, and we used to wear it when we had for football games. I don't even know. But this is from Revlon, and it's the, or did we have CoverGirl? Honestly, now I can't remember, but it did look like this. This is the Revlon Colorstay Overtime 16 Hours Improved Formula. This is basically their liquid lip, and they even have the clear gloss on the side. This is not the color that I thought it was going to be, so that kind of took me back. I thought I was getting a nude, and it looks kind of like a mauve-y shade, but this is in the shade 340 Eternally Tan. So yeah, I just want to try it out because, I mean, they're kind of the OGs of liquid lipsticks, so I wanted to get another one just to have again. Then I got these guys. I saw, where did I see this? Trend Mood, I think, posted on Instagram, and I was like, I need that. So I love these little lip kits from Morphe. This is the Out and About Sweetest tea. This is the lip trio. It has a lip liner, a lip gloss, and a lipstick, and the color, It reminded me of, I think this is the one that reminds me of Mac Whirl, but more of like a berry color, if that makes sense. So I wanted to get these. And I think Sweet Tea lip liner is like one of everybody's favorites, right? All right, so here's the lip liner. That just screams like 90s. Again, this is in the shade Sweetest Tea. I think all these are Sweetest Tea, right? Yeah. Here's the lipstick. And then the gloss. You guys, I'm literally obsessed. I'm telling you, when I saw it, I screamed because I love these colors. So that's the lip liner, lip gloss, and the lipstick. So pretty. I cannot wait to put this on my mouth. And Morphe lip liners are really good too. They kind of remind me of MAC, but like creamier. And I'll definitely link everything too in my description box if you guys want to buy any of this stuff. And then they came out with a Sweet Tea lip trio, which I think I already have the lip liner, but never hurts to have a backup, right? So again, lip liner, lipstick, lip gloss. So I'll swatch. I'll just do it right below. I love the color of this lip liner. It's so pretty. It's kind of like a caramely brown, if you will. I wasn't paying attention. I'm literally trying to swatch this on my arm here. And then let's do the lipstick. Ooh, I think even mixing the Sweetest Tea with the Sweet Tea, like mixing these lip products with the first ones would be really pretty too. Okay, so here is the lip liner, lipstick, and lip gloss. So this is the Sweetest Tea and then Sweet Tea. But I've really like mixed them together. I got one of these. This is from LA Girl, and this is the Glitterholic Glitter Topper. It's in the shade Electrify. It looked really pretty. I don't know if I can open it to swatch it because I don't know if it's gonna get all over the place. But hopefully you can see it. Oh, maybe I could swatch it. That's what it looks like. Oh, okay, yeah, it's definitely just a glitter topper. So definitely have to put some kind of shade similar to that underneath and then add this on top just to like, you know, amp it up a little bit. I got another one of these because Hazel, my cat, like bit into my other one, and it's my favorite lip plumper ever. This is the LA Girl Lip Plumper Tinted. Literally, it's the best. It leaves like a really pretty like your lips but better tint, and I love it. It's so good. But yeah, she like bit into it, so now whenever I squeeze it, it comes out of these holes, and I'm like, damn, I was like, surely that had to burn her throat when she did that, you know, but... So that, I got a couple of these guys from LA Girl. I saw somebody on TikTok post these, and then I just got all 3 shades because they were on sale. So these are from LA Girl, and they're the Dream Glitter Iridescent Liquid Eyeshadow. So I got this green one. It's called Cha-ching. I got a silver one that's called Aurora. And then this red one, and that is called Firecracker. So let me put them up. But yeah, they're just liquid eyeshadows. They just remind me of like the Stila ones, you know? There we go. So yeah, they just remind me of the Stila liquid eyeshadow. Sorry, I do have like really bad self-tan hands right now. But like how fun just to like amp up your eye look if you want. Then I got this for free since I bought that cheek palette. This is the Milani Make It Last Matte Charcoal Setting Spray. This is supposed to be a dupe for the Dior blush that literally sold out everywhere. This is Essence Mosaic Blush, and it's in the shade The Berry Connection. I don't have the Dior blush, but this was like $3 and I love hot pink, so I figured might as well try it. Even if it's not a dupe, I'll never know. So I got that. And then this guy, TikTok, I swear. This is also a TikTok made me buy it. I already love these Wet n Wild sticks anyways, so they're super affordable, but this guy is supposed to be a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury blush wand thing. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Makeup Stick Blush in the shade Peach Bums. I don't have the Charlotte Tilbury one because it's sold out, so I don't know about that either, but as soon as I get my hands on it, I'll let you guys know. I got this jumbo pencil because I wanted to do more like black smoky eyes, or like wearable daytime black smoky eyes, if that makes sense. This is the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil, and this is in the shade Black Bean. So I grabbed one of these. I can like use as eyeliner to like smoke out, or like I said, it's like a base for black eyeshadow. This I saw was new from Wet n Wild. This is the Wet n Wild multi-stick in the shade Burning Bridges, and it's just like a maroon cream crayon. They had quite a few colors. I figured that might be fun to play with. Then, is this the TikTok made me buy it? Yes. I saw this girl on TikTok use this, so I wanted to get it. It's from e.l.f. and it's the lip plumping gloss. I would swatch it, but you're not going to be able to see it because it's clear. But this is in the shade Pink Sugar. So it's clear and it looks like it has some pink and gold flakes in it. It looks really pretty and looked really good on her, so I wanted to try it. Then I got the Morphe lip liner in the shade Makeup Talk. I don't know why I got this. I'm assuming it's because of somebody on TikTok. I just need to do like, TikTok made me buy it again because TikTok takes all my money. So let's see what this looks like. Ooh, yeah. So it's like a maroon brown lip liner. I love Morphe lip liners. I love Morphe lip products. I got this, which I already have. I might throw it in a giveaway. I didn't know I already had it, but this is the NYX Loose Glitter, and this is in the shade 06. I don't see a name on it. Style Stars might be the name, but it's just a black glitter. Like I said, I already had it. I didn't know that. I wondered why I had a bunch of stuff in here. Harley must have came in here and just like dumped a bunch of stuff in my Ulta box. So this is the Wet n Wild Sweet Dreams Lip Mask. You guys know I love lip masks. Like, you should see my collection. It's like my favorite, I guess you would say skincare, right? Skincare thing. This looks really cute, and I really like that it's in like a stick, because usually I have to like dip my fingernail in it to get it out. But yeah, I can't wait to try that out. I got this. I don't know why. Look familiar to me. This is from e.l.f. and it's the Lip Lacquer in Fantasy. This is what it looks like. I don't usually buy a lot of e.l.f. lip products, so I don't know why I have that, honestly. Oh, I saw this was new. This is from Flower Beauty and has CBD, and it's called the Chill Out Lip Glaze infused with hemp seed CBD. It's in the shade Unwind. Doesn't that look so pretty? I can't wait to try that out, and I like the packaging too. It kind of reminds me of the new Sephora glosses. I think they're called Glossed, but they're in like these acrylic things I really like. Ooh, this, I don't know why I've never seen this before, but Luminoso is still one of my favorite blushes. They have a Milani Luminoso lip gloss. What? So this is the Keep It Full Nourishing Lip Plumper in the shade Luminoso. It looks so pretty. I love the packaging. It's like a, to me this looks more pink than peach like the blush, but it still looks beautiful. Here. Okay, Harley must have came and messed with my stuff, because there's like stuff in here that I'm like, I already own that. This looks so pretty. So I have the baby pink one. I think it's called Milk It Pink. So I wanted to get this one. This is the NYX This Is Milky Gloss in the shade Cherry Skimmed, I'm sorry. But it looked so pretty, and I love that it's like a mauve gloss. It's right here. It would look really nice on the lipstick I'm wearing right now, so I got that. Oh, I got another LA Girl concealer because, to be honest, I've never really liked LA Girl concealers, but I want to try it again because the last time I tried it was like 6 years ago probably. So I got the lightest shade ever. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fairest. I figured I could just do a super bright under eye or lighten up a concealer shade I already have. I got a Milani lipstick. Look at this packaging. What? This is in the shade Pleasure. I think it's supposed to be a dupe for, it's a matte one too. I think it's supposed to be a dupe for Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk, so I'll have to compare the two. Here it is. That formula reminds me of the Pat McGrath matte lipsticks. So this is the last thing I have from this haul. This is the Milani Peony. I don't know if this is matte too. Yeah, okay. So this is what it looks like. This packaging, you guys, like I can't. That's so pretty. Okay, so it's basically just a darker version of that one, but it's still really pretty. It looks like something that I'll wear all the time. Love these. Like, this might be the closest formula that I've seen up close that is literally almost identical to the Pat McGrath matte lipsticks, and we all know those are expensive, so that's pretty cool. So that's everything from my Ulta haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys later. Bye.